Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Good day. So in this video I will explain to you the first question of tutorial 5. So in this problem I would like to suggest for you to rewrite the equation given because you want to extract what the information is given to you. Okay, it can be direct or it can be indirect. A is the unit of this equation if you solve for this value for the value. So rewrite the generic equation. Let's say we write it in terms of I because the given equation is I. A cosine omega t plus phi. So you need to compare and then you need to highlight any values that given to you here. So for the first question here, it is very direct. What is amplitude? Amplitude is 8 amps. And then the second one, what is the angular frequency? Angular frequency is also direct. Omega, what is omega? Angular frequency is omega. Okay, and from the given equation to you, you know omega is equals to 500 pi. You can leave it your answer like this, or you want to plug in what is pi. 500 multiply with 3.142, or you just take pi value from your calculator, and if you take pi equals to 3.142, you're gonna get your omega or frequency angular frequency as 1571 radian per second. Okay, and then what is C? Find the frequency of the current frequency is F. Looking at the given or the general equation of sinusoidal signal, there is no information on F, but you need to like remember this equation. 2 pi F is equals to omega, and from here you're gonna rearrange and in order to find what is frequency. So frequency is omega over 2 pi. What is omega? Omega is given to you as 500 pi. Divide it with 2 pi. You get 500 over 2, 250 hertz. Okay, for the fourth problem, given t equals to 2 millisecond, they want you to find is. So let's rewrite is equals to 8 cosine 500 pi t minus 25 degree. So here you just need to plug t equals to 2 millisecond here. However, I want to also highlight to you what is the usual problems or usual issues that you need to take care in this term here, cosine the whole thing bracket here kan. So you need let's see on your right side here, this minus 25 degree is in degree the unit, right? How about the left one? The left one, omega omega t, so meaning 500 pi is the omega. Omega, the unit of omega is radian per second, and then you multiply that omega with a t. T, the unit is in second, then this term here will give you a unit of radian. So this is the problem, because you cannot take a radian and you minus it with a degree. You have to make them in common units. You have to make them to have common units. So you can change this radian into a degree, and then you can do that operation, degree minus degree, or you can change degree to a radian. Okay, then you take radian minus radian, but remember to take cosine to calculate cosine using radians value and not degrees value. So I want to change this radian into a degree. So how do you do that? You know 2 pi is equals to how many degrees? 360 degrees. So this is in radian, isn't it? 2 pi radian equals to 260. And I want to find what is 1 radian. How to find 1 radian? You take all this term here, make it over with 360. 2 pi. So you are left with this simplify. You're gonna get 180 over pi degree. Okay, so let's meaning that if you want to change any radian values, you just multiply with 180 over pi. So let's calculate this term here. Is equals to 8 cosine 500 times with pi times with time t 2 milliseconds. And then since this is in radian and I want to change it into degree, I'm going to multiply this term here with 180 over pi. 180 over pi. Okay. So barulah you minus with the 25 degree. Gonna change this term radian into a degree unit. So all this when you complete the calculation, you will get the value of degree, and then you can take cosine of that degree. So multiply, do the calculations, and you will get 8 cosine 180 degrees minus 25. What is 180 minus 25? That will give you cosine 155 degree. And then taking cosine of that value and multiply with an 8, it will give you negative 7.25 amps. Amps is the unit of this IS. So this is the answer to your question. Okay, thank you.